Hi guys. So today we are back from church, and after church she decided she wanted to do grocery shopping, and we came here to Langley Farm Market, which is the closest for us. But the reason why I am doing this is because I want to show you something. I have never come across this. This is a teeny tiny small fruit. Looks like a orange, but let her explain what it is because so this is an orange. Looks like an orange kind of thing, but she will explain. What is it?
This fruit is called kumquat,
Okay.
Kumquat. It is from the citrus family, and the unique thing about this fruit is that the rind of this fruit, like the rind, this is edible. Like usually all citrus fruits, you peel them and you eat the inner, pulp of it. So this is edible with the skin itself. The skin is sweet, whereas the flesh is slightly tart or bitter.
But we don't get this in India, right?
No, we do get them, but we get
I have
them
never seen this in
in
India.
the northern regions, like in Uttarakhand and the
Okay, like the
upper
most
regions, upper regions,
luxury region of
India.
India.
Yes,
But in Mumbai we don't get this.
we
So
get
I'm
this.
going to
Don't say
try.
that. We get at Crawford Market. We get everything there. Don't say
I
anything
have
back.
not eaten it, so I said I
So,
don't get it.
babe, you were here in Canada for the past like 10 years or something.
That is also
So how
true.
would you know?
But when I was growing up, I did not see this.
You didn't go to Crawford Market.
I have gone to Crawford Market, but I have not seen this. I have seen that Boro and all that, but not
Everything
this.
is available at Crawford Market, including this. And every मिलता था, but ऐसे इंडिया मेरे इंडिया के बारे में ऐसा मत बोलना कि वहाँ पे नहीं मिलता है. इंडिया में सब मिलता है बेब.
एकदम इन्होंने वक्त बदल दिया, जज्बात बदल दिए, जिंदगी बदल दी.
Okay, so now we are going to try this out, and let's see how it turns out to be. If it is sweet or sour. I have eaten oranges which are sour. They are
And
supposed to be sour,
sweet.
but nowadays GMO products are sweet on the sweeter side. So I don't know what is this. Is it actually organic?
That I'm doubtful of.
Okay, let's see.
But
Anyways,
that's a proper fruit. It
okay,
is
it's
not
a proper
something.
fruit. What is it called again?
Kumquat.
Kumquat. Okay. How do I say it's a mix. It tastes like an orange but sweeter orange. Like a mandarin, but not a mandarin.
It's just an orange with an edible rind. That's it.
Okay. I like it. You guys try it. You can eat the whole thing.
And I would say that's a great source of fiber since it's with the. Be careful because it might have seeds in them.
At this point I did not feel any sweet.
Because the one that I had earlier, it had a seed.
Take.
Thank you for remembering me.
देखा आपने लापरवाही का नतीजा है.
See.
15 minutes later.
Babe, where are we going now?
To have Thai food.
Huh?
Yes.
Thai food.
Yes. And it depends if we find the parking. And if there is space to park, we'll definitely have Thai food. If we don't, then we might go and have Korean. And then if there's no space at the Korean place also, we'll quietly come home and have food at home then.
No. I'm very hopeful that we might get to eat Thai food. But when you said Thai, then that thing came. Sawadika. Is it something? That's how they say, no, in Thai. Hello.
I don't know. I have not come across many Thai people.
Anyways, but I like your earrings.
Thank you. They are from my brother, from all the way from Aiswal. They have come
Where
here
is
to
Aiswal?
Northeast India, Manipur side.
Okay. When he had gone there, that time he sent it to you.
Yes, he was there for Bible college for a few days. He had gone for a training. So he got these earrings for me from there.
Nice.
He knows that I'm an
It looks
earring
from
fanatic.
it. That earring definitely looks from
Different?
where it's like in Northeast India because that's where it is from, I guess.
It is because of the colors?
They have those kind of colors over there only, no?
Yes.
You don't see. So now we are here in the Thai place called as, what is this place name? Chad Thai. The five spirits of taste. It's right here on East Hastings, Burnaby Street. And it's the first time trying Thai
ये
menu.
देखिए देखिए, तू बोला ना देखो मैसेमन करी चाहिए था, देखिए मैसेमन करी है इधर.
Meanwhile,
This is fish cakes and this is chicken satay. So you can try the fish cake first.
Taking the fish cake.
It's nice. Now try this one.
What is this?
Chicken satay.
Achha. That's nice.
You can dip it in the sauce. It's like a peanut sauce. This is the complimentary
But
wonton.
with the peanut sauce, it tastes even better.
one eternity later.
Now tell me, what is this? I took the fish cake and this.
Yes.
It tastes very
So
nice with
this
this.
is- this
tastes
is-
good with this.
Okay.
And this with this. Now you tell.
So this is the chicken satay. This is the fish cakes, and this is the complimentary spring roll. This is the complimentary wonton, and these are the complimentary soups that we have gotten with our lunch special that we have ordered.
Okay. Start. Eat.
So मैं भी खाऊँ?
Let me know what you feel.
Yeah, sure. मैं हाथ से ही खाता है. It's quite dense.
Good? What about the satay?
It's nice.
Check the satay, no?
It's like a fish kebab.
Dip it with this. Dip in this.
This has got like a lemongrassy sauce to it.
But the peanut sauce tastes very nice. Yeah?
So this is
So
like
now
a
this is your
this is like a
lunch menu.
stir
What is
fried
this?
noodle. I don't know what it exactly called, but it is like a stir fried noodles with tofu.
stir fried rice noodles.
Yes,
With
with prawns,
tiger prawns.
and then they also got some tofu in it, and then they've served
Okay,
some.
now eat and tell me what to.
It's nice and hot. We had asked her to make it spicy. I don't know how spicy she has made it or
I
not.
think it is more hot.
Yes. The noodles are nice and chewy, and it is like a sweet and spicier. I think it's not like spicy.
Okay. This is my pork and rice.
Yes.
This, you see the style of frying of the egg,
Yes, this is the typical Thai style of frying eggs. They deep fry the egg.
but
That's
the
what
pork,
makes it unique.
I am from Goa, so pork is very close to me.
And what is that crispy thing on top of it? Are those peanuts?
I think yes.
Or they can also be fried shallots or fried garlic. So
I think it is fried garlic. It is
they have
garlic.
also got fried peanut for me on my this side here.
Yours is peanut, but mine is garlic.
Okay.
But it is really nice, and it's very light.
I'm glad you liked it.
Yes.
Now have a bite with the egg so you can have the whole experience.
First time I'm eating Thai food, huh? By the way. And it's very different from Chinese food.
They use a lot of fresh herbs and garlics, you know.
Very coconut based their food, but this one is little different. When I'm mixing all three, it's giving a very different enhanced flavor.
15 minutes later.
Now we have ordered the coconut ice cream
Yes.
with palm seeds.
So these are the palm
Palm
seeds that you
and
see
the peanuts on the
and the
side.
peanuts.
I'm very excited to taste the coconut ice cream with
Go ahead. Just like Indians, these people are also very much, you know, coconut diwane like us. It's nice.
I went in coconut wonderland. How do you feel? That coconut is moving around, no, in your mouth.
Actually, the peanut and the coconut goes along very well. This is the first time I have discovered this.
Nice, no?
I mean, we do have peanut coconut based curries and chutneys back home, but having this in the form of sweet, something unique.
Enjoying it?
Yes. Whereas
Even I liked it. I wanted to try it, but because I've never tried that before, the coconut ice cream with the palm nuts. Palm
and
beans.
this is what they call the palm seeds. This is nothing but what we have back home called as the argola. So these are the young seeds of that, you know. So they are like little smaller in size.
2,000 years later.
Anyways,
Start ho gaya?
yes, it has started.
Yes. So we went
So
to the
after we were done from the
dinner. Sorry, lunch.
Thai place,
Haan.
it's very nice. I really loved it. Especially, it was very enlightening.
What?
Enlightening. मतलब ऐसा लग रहा था like I was not feeling too heavy.
So that is not enlightening.
What it is?
Enlighten is like attaining enlightenment. That is different.
I felt like I was very peaceful. I felt peace when I ate the food. She did not feel peace because usually when we buy and go out to eat and we don't end up eating all, so then we take takeaway.
And
So
then
today
I
she could not get a takeaway because we
finished everything.
finished
The
everything.
portions were small.
And portions were decent, not small.
Haan.
Excuse me. It was not small, it was decent.
It was small because we ordered off the lunch menu.
Haan.
That is why it was small.
But it was nice. I really loved it. It was very calming to my body. But after coming out of there, I thought I'll get the Vietnamese coffee, which I have not started drinking yet.
And then
But
after,
she said it is different than the Thai. No, sorry, this is the Thai coffee, not
Yes.
Vietnamese. So the Vietnamese coffee and the Thai coffee are different.
they are actually pretty much the same, but they are compared to your American coffee, the Western world coffee, it is different because the ones we have there, they are very, you know, a little mild. You can say these are very strong.
Okay,
The
so
Thai coffee and the
I
Vietnamese
was
coffee.
feeling sleepy, so let's see after drinking this if I don't feel sleepy. But I got to tell everyone one thing. We are from Goa, so it's the southern part of the southern belt of India, where coconut and palm tree are in abundance.
Yes.
But we don't have that amount of variations in our food when it comes to coconut base. Only Kerala and Goa does the, addition of coconut.
Yes.
Like not addition, I would say mixing or using the coconut wisely in the food to enhance the flavor of the food.
क्या कर रहा है यार तू मतलब मजाक है क्या
But the Vietnamese and the Thai people have so much variety of options for the coconut flavors.
Yes.
I was really amazed. So, a lot to learn and a lot to understand about different cultures. So, hence, Thai is done. Now, let's see what is next in the thing. Now, most important thing, after we finished Thai, I was so happy with it. but she came across a Latino grocery store.
Yes, it is
And she
actually a meat store.
had eaten this stuff before, so she got something. Now she will explain what did she get.
So we got this tamarind candy. So this is basically mango pulp that has been mixed with chilies and some citric acid, and it has got that typical sweet and sour flavor that we have back home. So this is that mango thing, and these are the tamarind candies that they have here. So what they do is they put the candy over a straw like this. You can see the straw here, and it is just tamarind pulp that is mixed with salt, sugar, and red chili and a little spices, and they have put it nicely on a straw so that it is easier for to hold it and eat it. And then we also got some hot chocolate, Mexican hot chocolate.
This is my takeaway because
Yes.
I was feeling left out because she got all these stuff for
So-
her, so I
Yes.
wanted something.
So
for
we got
me.
this Mexican hot chocolate. You're supposed to mix this with milk and have it. Yeah, you can add sugar according to you, like as much or as less of it. And then we also came across this.
We came across this. Now you must be thinking this must be a soap or something, but no. What is this? It's like a banana leaf, right?
Yeah, this is wrapped in. Not that's not a banana leaf, I think, but
Or palm leaf or
I
something?
think it is a corn husk.
Okay, whatever it is. But inside that there is a
small-
sweet dish
Ye pakad
which
idhar.
we have in Goa as well. We make it out of Goa.
It's made with guava and sugar. It is just guava pulp that
But in
has
Goa
been
we
boiled
call
with
it
sugar.
peras.
Perad.
We usually make it during Christmas.
So it was
time.
exactly the same
So
thing.
the taste is completely the same.
Exactly the same. It looks
So,
like this.
South Americans and Indians have
A lot
many
of in
things in
common.
This is one of the things.
Yes, and we ate a little bit of this.
And that's why I will say it
So
to all
it is
the
like
South
a little
American
soft
people.
from inside, like
mucho,
here.
mucho gracias.
So, want to try this?
Yeah. She's giving me little because she wants to finish all of it.
No, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है.
But actually the same.
It tastes just like perad what we have back
Same
home.
pattern.
It is just guavas that have been cooked with sugar, and that pulp has been put into some sort of mold and cut into pieces. That's
Yeah.
it.
Very organic.
It tastes exactly like perad.
Okay. So now time to go home.
Yes.
I'm very sleepy right now. It's a Sunday. As you can see outside it's nice rainy.
It has been
Makes
raining
me
a lot
feeling
since
like
morning.
sleepy. So now time to go home. Bye babe.
Bye. Bye.
No, I'm not. Why I'm saying bye to you? Bye guys.
Bye.
आज के लिए फिलहाल इतना ही। आपकी तरह मैं भी मायूस हूँ, लेकिन उम्मीद पर दुनिया कायम है। दिल दुखा है लेकिन टूटा तो नहीं है, और उम्मीद का दामन छूटा तो नहीं है। इसलिए आज के लिए इतना ही।